Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today's topic is measuring angles at a point. Let's get out your notes and your pen, pencil. Let's take some notes. So, what are angles? Angles is any line segments or rays or lines that meet at a common point known as a vertex. So here we have ray DA and ray DS, and they meet at this common point. And that common point is called the vertex. But it doesn't just have to be two rays meeting at a common point to form an angle. It could be two line segments. It could be two lines. It could be a line and a line segment that meet at a common point that form that angle. The symbol, when you identify an angle, you always use the symbol and 3 points. Whenever you identify an angle, it's the symbol and 3 points, okay? The symbol is just a little slant, like an L, like an angle. So that's the symbol for an angle. And when you identify an angle, that symbol goes to the left, and then you identify it with 3 points, and the vertex point has to be in the middle. So this could be ray ADS, or you could say ray SDA. Either or will work, okay? But you can't call this ray DSA because the vertex point has to be in the middle. So notice when we identify an angle, we use the symbol to the left, and we use 3 points, and the vertex point has to be in the middle. Very important to remember. The instrument that you use to measure angles is called a protractor. So this is a protractor. Hopefully you guys can see this in the video tutorial. And you use this instrument to measure. The next day we'll go in depth about how to use it correctly. But this instrument is used to measure angles. So here, if I'm measuring this angle, angle ABE, it looks like it's a right angle. It's 90 degrees. And notice when I said 90, I said 90 degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. So like when you measure distance, you would say maybe feet. Or when you measure angles, you say degrees. And then you also give it as a circle. So if I identified, you also use a little circle as the symbol for degrees. So if I identified this angle right here, ABE, angle ABE, and I'm asked to measure this angle, well, with a protractor, notice it is 90 degrees. And if I measure angle DBC, which is right here, DBC, again, notice I use the symbol for angle. Notice I use the B as the vertex. Well, this angle is in between 40 and 50, so we would say it's about 40, probably 45 degrees, okay? Notice I use the little circle as the symbol for degrees. Again, we'll talk about how to use the protractor tomorrow. How to use it, we'll discuss it. I'll give you chances to work on it. This is something that you guys should know, but please take notes on this. There's 4 main kinds of angles. There's a right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, and straight angle. Okay, right angles are 90 degrees. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are bigger than 90 degrees. And a straight angle, well, that is 180 degrees. From here to here is 180. Okay, so take notes on this. Also, one other thing just to discuss, adjacent angles are 2 angles that share a common side. So I can say angle CBD and angle ABC, they are adjacent. Why do I know that? Because they share this common side. So angle ABC and CBD are adjacent. Angles that share a common side are adjacent. So all I want you to do is just press pause here and answer these questions. The first one is name a right angle from this diagram. Number 2, name an obtuse angle. Number 3, name a pair of adjacent angles. Here, if angle DAE is 60 degrees, whoops, that should have a little symbol there. I don't know why it's down here. That symbol should be, hello. If angle DAE is 60 degrees, what does angle DAB equal? Name a ray, and then name a line segment. So press pause, do that. And then the last thing I want you to do is answer this. What is the sum of the following angles? And you don't need a protractor for this, but if you measured this angle and then measured, let's see here, EAD, and then DAB, and then BAC, the sum of those four angles together must equal how many degrees? I bet you know that. That's it for today's video tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me see. Yep, I don't have anything on it. Anything else? Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.